everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Transition to the host. AI has been a hot topic in recent years and it's no surprise why. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work, and it's already making a big impact in a variety of industries. First main point. Let's start by defining AI. Simply put, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are designed to think and act like humans. This can be done through various methods, such as machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Second main point. One of the most popular applications of AI is in the field of robotics. Robots have been used for decades to perform repetitive tasks, but with the advancement of AI, they can now perform tasks that once required human intelligence. For example, autonomous robots can now be found in manufacturing plants, performing tasks that were once performed by human workers. Third main point. Another area where AI is making a big impact is in the field of medicine. AI algorithms are being used to analyze medical images and help diagnose diseases, such as cancer. AI is also being used to analyze vast amounts of patient data to identify potential health risks and suggest personalized treatment plans. Fourth main point. AI is also transforming the way we interact with technology. Virtual assistants, such as Siri and Alexa, use natural language processing to understand and respond to our requests. AI is also being used in customer service, where chatbots can respond to customer inquiries in real time, reducing wait times and improving the customer experience. Fifth main point. However, AI also raises concerns about job loss and privacy. As AI continues to become more advanced, it has the potential to automate many jobs that are currently performed by human workers. It's important for society to consider the ethical implications of AI and ensure that its benefits are distributed fairly. Conclusion and outro. In conclusion, AI is a rapidly evolving field that has the potential to change the world in many positive ways. While there are also concerns to be addressed, the potential benefits of AI are too great to ignore. We hope you enjoyed this overview of AI and its applications. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments. Outro music and graphics.